Hello, sexy. Sabi ko sa'yo, gusto ng mga accessories, caps, yun ang pinunta nila talaga.
Hindi ko ako ibigay mo yung cap mo. Ako nagbigay ako ng sinoris.
Mamaya kung sino pinakamalakas siligaw.
Sino ang gusto nito? Gusto niyo to? Itapon namin to sa inyo, okay lang. Ayaw niya.
Napakaganda pa naman itong cap na to, bagong-bagong ko, bench.
Bench yan. Okay na po. Thank you very much, Ben.
Parang Justin Bieber lang, ba?
Uy, pero ang sarap talaga ng select, ano? Ay, nako.
Hindi kasi yan, di mo ba napapansin? Alam ko, di mo pansin.
Ano lang hindi ko napansin?
Kasi itong Selecta, 3 years, every year, di ba? Lagi nila tayo
Ini-invite.
Kasi, anyway, may feeling ako baka
At ako talaga, lagi ako bumibili ng Selecta.
Selecta ba
Selecta
yun?
talaga yung kinakain.
Hindi lagi mo binibili sa, yung dinadaan mo palagi sa bahay, pagkakas tayo ng ice cream ng ano?
Breakfast, lunch, dinner, diba Selecta ang kinakain natin?
Saka midnight snack.
Selecta lang kami lahat.
Manood kami ng movie, Selecta talaga.
Okay, thank you very much, Selecta.
Thank you very much and love you.
Oy, magsigaw naman kayo dyan sa taas! Makakapali sa mga kayo dyan!
Hindi, mamaya magbibigay kami dyan ng mga ano.
Magbigay kami dyan, iikot kami dyan.
Ng Selecta, ihahagis namin yung Selecta dyan.
Okay, kakanta na tayo para matapos na tayo.
Next set.
Okay, with our next set, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Giving to you ang best artist.
This is brought to you by Selecta. The best-selling Selecta ice cream.
Nakain lang ako sa'yo. Sada, kala ko.
Ako, alam nila to.
Alam niyo to.
Boy, I hear you, my dream. I feel you whisper across the sea. Keep you with me in my heart. You make it easier when life gets hard. I'm lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. You were in love in every way. Lucky to have stayed where I have stayed. Lucky to be coming home again.
Don't sailing through the sea to an island where we meet. You hear the music in the air. I pull a flower in your hand.
So the breezes through trees look so pretty. You're all I see as the world keeps spinning round. You hold me right here, right now. I'm lucky I'm in love with my best friend. Lucky to have been where I have been. Lucky to be coming home again. I'm lucky I'm in love in every way. Lucky to have stayed where we have stayed. Lucky to be coming home again.
Sige, kung sino pinakamalaki, ibibigay ko na ito. Dito! 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 Dito!
Ayun, nahuli na.
Hoy, nasa sa'yo.
Hoy! Mali, okay lang yan. Matigas ang buto yan.
Ayan.
Kasi nag-select na yan eh. Kaya